If you have any bulb blown, you're going to have some indicator. So in this case, you can see we have the bulb faulty indicator here, indicating that the left rear corner, there's going to be a faulty bulb. So we can find out which one is blown. To check the bulb, just to open this panel, press the button, open the panel, and there's going to be a safety triangle, safety warning triangle. Take that out, and we can take this holder to get more light. Okay, that's the bulb holder under the table here. Just press it down and take the holder out. As you can see, there are 3 bulbs. So that's the indicator, and that's the side light, and this is a braking light. So press down and turn. So you can see one element has gone. So we need to change this bulb. This also written here, if you can see, that's 21 and 4 volts. So 21 and 4 volts. So this braking light needed to be changed.